I'm Guye and you're watching Guye TV. If you are new, hello. If you're coming back, welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been consistent, but I haven't not been consistent either. If you are here, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let's get started. So today we're doing a chit chat, get ready with me. I am trying a dark eye, what do you call it? Black, smoky eyes, something like that. And this is what I've gotten so far. I haven't put lashes on or anything yet, but that is what we're doing. So I was supposed to film a lot earlier today, but actually I got some footage from my plan with me and how I write in my planner. I got a new planner today, so I'm very excited about that. So I guess I did do some filming, but not as what I wanted to do. I got stuck with, not even stuck with, I think I just wanted to handle some like more important matters, like fixing my credit. There's just so much on there that like doesn't need to be. So a lot of writing letters and making sure that I like cross my T's and dot all my I's just as far as that, because nobody wants a janky credit score. Plus I'm going to be doing some things this year that include having a great credit score, and I just want to make sure that I will be set regardless. So that's what I've been doing with my day. I finally finished the letters. Got to get it notarized tomorrow, and then send them off. I told you guys this year one of the goals of mine was to make sure my credit was good. So that is something that's super important, and I'm going to continue to work on regardless. Other than that, I guess like one thing I will talk about while this dries, I've been feeling stuck, and that stuck feeling sucked like until last night. Last night was the first time I felt like I didn't feel as stuck anymore. I don't know, like just last week I just couldn't get it together. I was just really tired all the time. I was just trying to figure out like what was wrong with me, really couldn't figure it out. So that was that, and I was just feeling stuck and felt like I didn't have enough time. So instead of like doing something about it, I just didn't do anything at all, which is not the move, but I did it anyways. But I worked it out. I like did a cute like wall canvas thing that I want to share with you guys, hopefully in a video, how I did it. It's super cute and super simple. And that kind of helped me get out of my funk. I was able to clean my room. I was able to do so much more. I think it's drying. So that was nice. So I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette in the color Mocha. But I was able to get out of the funk. That's basically what I'm saying. And thank God, because your girl was tired. I just didn't know. I just didn't feel good at all. I even took like a day off of work just to like get shit done, like grocery shop, figure out why I'm so tired all the time. But I don't know. I think it's just a part of my PCOS, and that's a huge part of it, like being tired all the time, mood swings and whatnot. So that's just it, and I had to just start like getting back into drinking celery juice and making sure that I'm actually like that I'm really doing it. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in. So just being intentional about what I'm eating and what I'm putting into my body, because I hate feeling like crap, to be honest. So that has been fun. That was a huge reason why I wasn't even filming. Just thought I'd fill you guys in case you guys were wondering. I was able to put up one video, and that was the Tarte one, but I really just didn't feel like talking. I didn't feel good. I didn't feel like myself. I mean, I talked. And then also, let's talk about my camera settings right now. I finally got it to get to my skin tone, and I just had to buy a gray card, and I've just been annoyed and not wanting to, but it's made the biggest difference. Like now this is true to my skin tone, like really true to my skin tone, and I'm so happy. Can't believe it took that long for me to finally get it. I was also tired of my content just not looking like it should, and now I got it. Like, this is my skin tone finally. I'm not just everywhere, because I hated that. Like, your camera settings matters and your white balance matters, and you have to make sure that you can get all of that. So yeah, I wanted to work on that too, so I ordered one finally for $7 off Amazon. I was gonna borrow somebody's, but you kind of get tired of borrowing other people's things, and you just want your own, and you just want to do it your own, you know, by yourself. So I decided to stop being annoying and just buy it myself. So now, inshallah, there'll be no more problems, because so far so good. Like, look at my eye makeup right now. True to color. Bomb! Oh my god, I'm so happy. You have no idea how satisfying this is. Like, to have your content actually look like what you're doing instead of nonsense. Can we just give grace and thank God? So yeah, I've just been, you know me, being the Virgo I am, like, overly, how do you call it, hypersensitive. And then also lately I've just been feeling like I've been giving so much time to other people that I had to stop. Like, I told all my cousins and stuff, like, call me once a day, because that's all I'm gonna be able to handle. And friends too. Like, I just don't need to be on my talking on the phone, because people who talk to me on the phone actually, like, enjoy talking to me on the phone for long periods of time. And sometimes, honey, I just don't have it in me. And I'm not gonna tell you, I'll stay on the phone with you, but like, once I'm off, then I just feel super drained, and that sucks, you know? You don't want that. So that's where I've been at with everything. Just taking time, not feeling drained. But yeah, I don't know. So another thing that I've just been dealing with, just like, actually not even dealing with, just life, just thoughts about the future, like, and just really having to get myself back to being motivated. Sometimes, okay, and like, don't get me wrong, being an introvert is very lonely. Like, and lonely is not a bad thing, because I get exhausted really fast, and I can't have a lot of friends I talk to every day. Like, it's just not possible. Like, I need time to re-energize. And it can get lonely, because we want to have friends, but we want, like, very low maintenance friends, especially me. Like, I want friends who have a good, like, we have a good friendship, but not but not too dependent, you know? Like, I don't know how to explain it, but that's just kind of it. Like, it's lonely because there's some days like I want to go out and I want to do something, but at the same time I don't want to. It takes too much energy. I don't know. It sucks though, because there's some days where I really do want to go do stuff, but have nobody to go do it with. And then, like, my friends also are busy, so if anyone's been watching this whole Kardashian, Khloe's baby's father cheated on her with Kylie's best friend. It's not funny. It's not funny. Kylie's best friend, Jordan. Quite fucked up, to be honest. Really messed up. But at the same time, like, we knew he wasn't good, sis. So what was you expecting? I don't know. Khloe just has bad luck in love, and I feel her though, because I have the same thing, sis. Sometimes you think You found a prince? Nope, you found another. Dang, that's so close to the foundation that you're not about to see it, but I can try it. Oh no, we got something. You think you found a prince, but you just found another rabbit. Oh my god, I really have a cramp in my hand. That shit hurts. Poor girl. I mean, she kind of took him from somebody else too, so I don't know what she expected. And Jordan, she's a babe, but I'm not saying what she did was right. I'm just saying, like, we knew Tristan was no good. That's why I call him third trimester Tristan. Like, he cheats on everybody. And he's just not ready to settle down. Sis, you can't force it. Trust me, I know. Had a little bit of experience with that. Like, you cannot force anybody to settle down if that's not what they want. You live and you learn, boo-boo. You live and you learn. I don't know. You really can't change anybody. If you want to be with the cheater, baby boy, girl, you be with that man happily. But don't be surprised every time he cheats, you know? Like, wow, it's cool. You just have to do what it do. Who, like, what are these people writing me about? Let me check my phone real quick. Oh, so far so good. But yeah, so that's just where I'm at with that. Like, you cannot make somebody stay with you, girl. I don't know. So I have my own question. When it comes to, like, you know how sometimes we women, we sit back and we just reflect on, like, past situationships, relationships. Like, do y'all ever feel the urge to call them and, like, ask them, like, why? Like, why? Why did you feel that it was okay for you to treat me as such? Like, I'm so tempted. And I feel like I go through this a lot, but there are just certain people I just want to be like, you had me all the way messed up. Like, so messed up to the point that I don't even know how to act. But I want to ask, like, why? And then there's those who have, like, apologized. But then it's like, even with that, like, when is the cutoff where it's like, were you really sorry, or does it just haunt your conscience now and you feel like you should say sorry? I don't know. It kind of bothers me, but we'll see. I feel like I'm, like, in this, like, social cleansing with myself or what, I don't know. So guys, this is the final look. If you guys are here for it, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.